Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. Today we're going to show you what's inside the master kit of a JF016E. That's a CVT transmission. In the master kit you got a cartridge filter, not the main filter, but you do get the cartridge filter. You got an overhaul kit with all your gaskets, your seals, your sealing rings, etc. You get your friction plates or your clutch plates, depending on what you call them. You get your steel plates. And you get bonded pistons. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Give us a big thumbs up for the video. I will leave a link for this kit and for the banner kit and the overhaul kit in the description below as well. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you in the next video and have a great day.